Here we are at Clockhouse Lane level crossing. This crossing has LEDs, of course. Strict to area. Do not trespass on railway. There's a phone. It's a half barrier. I'm guessing this is a E2S Apollo alarm. Let's see. E2S alarm. Yeah. Not very sure if this is going to be active. Another train approaching coming if night continues to. Keep crossing clear. LED red light. See what the phone is in there. Clockhouse, another crossing. Yeah. Oh. East Kent Signalling Centre. Okay. This is Hartford. This is an AHB. Standard barriers. No timetable whatsoever. E2S Apollo alarm. Don't touch them. I think that's one. Right in here. Same really. Warning, do not trespass on railway, penalty £1,000. Do not danger, do not touch on rails. I do not think these are electrified. This is a private place, so I am unable to access there. There's cameras there. Another camera there. Oh my god. Red, yellow sets of cameras. So if this crossing goes off. Oh, wait. These do not have a St Andrew's cross. It's got barriers. Clockhouse cross. I'm guessing that these are yeah, look, it says Clockhouse. It says Clockhouse there. Public footpath, which I'm not gonna go. There's a sign over there that says Real City. Service of large service slow vehicles. Another set of cameras. This is just like West Street level crossing. There's an aircraft up there. So I will film my secondary channel. Southwest Aircraft channel. Just up there. It's not electrified, so these lines are not electrified. So it's very likely to be. It might still be a passenger line, but yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys. Bye, guys.